Okay, 5th of August. So anyway, here's a look at the parts, the new parts that are going into the cooling system, and in this case the old one too. Here's the old impeller, and as you can see, still flexible. Here's the new impeller, even more flexible, but they're I didn't try doing this, but they're the same cookie. And Volvo gives you a little bit of this glycerine for lubricant, and in their infinite wisdom, 2 gaskets, not just one. So there's the box that came out of. Good old Volvo. Man, this is a 1973 engine, so it's more than 50 years old. And here's the new parts for it, just as nice as you please. Here's the new thermostat, and it's like the old one, and it says right on it 50 degrees centigrade, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So when the water temperature gets that hot, it opens up. So there you go. So now all I got to do is put this stuff back together. I haven't repaired the cast iron cap that covers this, so it won't run again today, but the next time I come back it will. So I'll put the impeller in, put the gasket and the cover back on the water pump. I'll put the thermostat back in it, and put the hoses back together. Next time when I put the cast iron cap back on this, it'll be ready to go again.